tilt sensor with Arduino, just on electronics simplified. So first we need the 520D tilt sensor. We need a tiny breadboard. Next we need is a LED, so anything that you like. You will need some male jumper cables. You will also need a resistor. This is optional, I will not use one. Then you need the main Arduino Uno. So here is the circuit diagram. You can pause and have a look at it. So in the first case, I'm going to take the breadboard, connect my tilt sensor, place it. Okay, and since it's a switch, it has no terminals, no positive, no negative. So I'm going to connect one of it to pin number 4 on my Arduino, digital pin 4, and the other one goes to the ground. So let me connect the pin number 4 first. So there you go, I've connected it. So the next terminal of the tilt sensor will go to a ground. There are 3 grounds on the Arduino, so you can connect it anywhere that is closer to you, is very good for you to know. Yeah, and then we connect our LED. So we take our LED, we place it, we connect the positive to pin number 12, digital pin 12 on the Arduino. So make sure that you always count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, not 13, I'm going to go to connect to 12. So, and then the ground. So I'm going to connect the ground to the LED. Once I'm done connecting with the LED, I have written a code. This is in Arduino IDE today that I have the code. So you're going to find the code in the description below. Okay, you can make changes accordingly, since there will be many out here who already understand this code. So in the first case, the sensor pin is always high, so I'm going to upload the program. Since I have uploaded the program now, I'm going to show you the output once it is uploaded. There you go. Yes, exactly. So the tilt sensor does the function. When it tilts, it turns on, and otherwise it's going to be off. Thank you.